Mind your business. Mind the business that pays you. We're so busy looking at other people's content thinking that we need to emulate that, and that's not us. Hey guys, this is Clarice Eze. I am the owner of B.O.S.S, Building Our Strength Sufficiently, and SRC Kitchen. I do want to come on here real quick and just tell you guys something. I feel like every creator needs to know this right now, and it is for you to be a student to your own platform. It is very important that we understand that. Be a student to your own platform. We spend so much time creating new content, forgetting that we have the cheat code. And the time that you're spending in creating new content is the very same time that you can sit down and look at your content and be a student to it. You know how I know that you can pass and be a student to your own platform? Because you already know it and because you created it. Studying your own platform allows you to avoid comparing yourself to other creators. Comparison is the thief of joy. And a lot of you have God-given talents and skills that are within you that we're not able to experience because you're so worried about comparing yourself to other creators. Let me let you know this right now. Comparison is the thief of joy, and it's only going to make you step further and further away to what you're called to do. So let me show you some quick ways on how you can become a student to your own platform. First of all, besides taking out the time to study your platform, see what works. What works? What exactly are people saying? What's the feedback? What's the dialogue? How are you engaging students? How are you engaging your audience? Whatever you're doing, see what works now. And whatever works now, enhance it. I've never seen anybody worry about people that don't buy for them. I worry about people that do buy for me because clearly there was something that drew them to my website. So what is drawing your audience to your platform or your page? Whatever it is, go there immediately and find out. Do a whole analysis. Number 2, treat your content like it's a movie that people are anticipating to watch. Let me give you an example. On average, my food videos are about 55 seconds, but I take a portion of that and make it 15 seconds. When you go to the movies, you watch previews right before the movie premieres, right? It's just there so that it anticipates you to actually go watch the movie when it actually comes out. The same thing with your content. Give people a little teaser. Give people something to chew on. Give people something to think about. There is content within content. You would be surprised how many videos you can make out of one video. 15 seconds out of just that video alone actually gets more hits than my 55-second one because we all know that people's attention spans is probably no more than 5 seconds. What do I do to pull them in without them swiping up or swiping left? Whatever the case it is, I'm just trying to make sure that they don't swipe away. And even if they do swipe away, maybe they're not my audience member. Whatever it is, my love, do it. Treat it like a movie. Number 3, mind your business. Mind the business that pays you. We're so busy looking at other people's content thinking that we need to emulate that, and that's not us. That doesn't show authenticity. You have so much in the archive. You have so much content to post. You have content that you need to edit. But because you're looking at the other creator, you're not focused on that. And I need you to just pay close attention to your content. Your content is fire. Your content is key. And your content is needed. Our content becomes no longer purposeful when us as the creator does not make it purposeful or useful for the audience. All we're doing is holding things, holding gems, holding knowledge away from people that could use it. Because although you're being a student to your own platform, you are creating an audience of students who could also be learning from you. The content cannot post itself. You are in charge of that content. So what I will tell you and leave you guys with is comparison is the thief of joy. Please be in a mindset where you can be a student to yourself. Why it's so easy to be a student to your own platform is because you already know the syllabus. Why? Because you created it. So think of yourself being the teacher and the student in your own platform. So go out, be great, and post the content. That's it. That's all.